natin para ipatawag yung may-ari ng Lucky South 99 at yung mga may-ari ng Whirlwind Corporation. In fact, ang ating chairperson, binalikan pa niya yung mga pangalan para to be sure, no, na itong mga personalidad na ito ay mai-issuean ng supina. At kung hindi pa rin sila pupunta, katulad po ng ibang mga personalidad, kagaya ni Go Huaping, ipapa-aresto ho sila. No? Kasi gusto ho namin, itong raid ay isang hakbang lang. Ang gusto ho namin may makasuhan at may makulong. No? Hindi natin pwedeng palampasin yung nangyari sa Porac, yung torture. Nakita naman ho natin yung mga letrato, yung torture, meron yata tayong picture, no? Papakita ho namin, may nagay ito ng PAOK. Yung torture, yung illegal detention, yung prostitution, hindi ho natin pwedeng palampasin ho yan. Sabi ko nga, natutuwa kami, may raid, pero ang pulot dito dapat may makulong. Kagaya ho nito, no? Binigay ho ito ng PAOK. Yung torture na nangyari ho doon. Ano pa bang picture? Next. Ito ho, nangyari ho ito sa Porac. Itong mga letratong to. Next. Meron pa ba? So, hindi ho namin palalampasin ho ito. Kaya ho namin, kung kakailanganing arestuhin, dadalhin ho namin dito yung mga maaari para managot ho sila.
Opo, tama po kayo.
Kaya hindi ho kayo lang ang aming iniimbitahan at tinatanong kung hindi pati ho yung mga nasa likod ho nito.
So, tama po kayo, Mr. Chair, bilang alkalde, bilang ama ng bayan. Ayaw ko po na may masaktan din kahit sabi ko nga po kahit ibang bayan pa ibang hindi po Pilipino yan. Gusto ko po na walang naagrabyadong tao, lalong-lalo na sa aming bayan, Mr. Chair. Pero pasensya na po, talaga po walang any criminality na report po sa atin. Kaya yun po, Mr. Chair.
Madam Chair, with your permission, I'll jump to another topic. I'll go back to the Bamban Bamban Pogo Hub. And Amlac was here, no? Ayan, si Attorney Manatan. Last hearing, ang pinag-usapan natin ay magpa-file ang Amlac ng kaso. And then from then on, pwede nang ma-disclose kung ano yung mga nangyari in terms of money laundering, no? Para sa akin, material to dahil hindi nakikita ng publiko ngayon yung money laundering angle at hindi nila nakikita kung gaano kalaki yung perang pumapasok sa ating bansa na hindi nadidetect o hindi nakikita ng gobyerno. So anong status na nitong filing of cases at ano ba yung mga pwede niyong ma-disclose before filing of cases?
Good afternoon, Madam Chair. Good afternoon, Senator Win. Sir, so far, sir, I could manifest and confirm that the legal actions approved by the council are already underway, sir.
Underway on the road, underway by Korea. What's underway?
Ongoing na po, sir. As of the moment, sir, hindi ko pa po ma-confirm yung kung ano, yung binavalidate pa po namin, sir, kung ano na to, sir, kung ma-aprobahan na po yung mga
na-file na ba o hindi?
namin.
Yun ang siguro simple tanong lang. Na-file na ba o hindi? Kasi medyo matagal-tagal na rin to, Attorney Manatan.
Yes, sir.
Usapan natin. In fact, this is the 4th hearing already. And during the first hearing, the chairperson already flagged AMLAC to look at this. So, na-file na ba o hindi?
Sir, yes, sir. Na-file na po.
So, na-file na yung money laundering case?
Hindi po, sir. Hindi po yung ML mismo. Hindi po yung criminal aspect, sir. But we already filed for, the council approved and we already filed for the issuance of a freeze order, sir.
Alright. Sige, I won't go into the details until mag-prosper yung case. But ang importante, na-file na.
Apo, sir.
I'll leave it at that for now. I'll go to Solgen because I read in the papers that you have filed several cases or a case.
No,
Can you give us an update on those cases?
yes, good afternoon, Madam Chair. Good afternoon, Senator Win. The OSG is confirming that last Friday, the OSG filed a petition for cancellation of the certificate of live birth of Mayor Alice Guo in RTC Tarlac. And last Monday, there was a raffle, and there is already court handling this case. Now it is pending, and we are just waiting for the notice of hearing, and we will pursue this case po.
What are the grounds that you use to justify the cancellation?
Yes, basically we allege non-compliance with the mandatory and prohibitory laws with respect to civil registration systems and guidelines and administrative orders issued by NSO. These are detailed rules which NSO, then now PSA, and we provided that in our petition, Senator Win.
What you're saying is ginamit yung guidelines and rules as a basis to cancel the
Yes.
birth certificate. How about all of these things that came out during the hearing? The fingerprint matching, because ito importante at material to, no? Dahil I think maybe first time in the history that a committee managed to get information on fingerprints and nagmatch siya.
Yes.
Magagamit ba ito sa inyong filing of cancellation?
With respect to the cancellation of the certificate of live birth, Senator, we are not using the NBI findings because as far as we are concerned, the COLB of Mayor Guo itself, without going outside of it, it is already fictitious. As a matter of fact, the OSG adopted some of the findings of the honorable senators, and we add more on the issuances of the NSO, particularly Administrative Order 193. Masyado po siyang detailed na we will furnish a copy of the petition filed by the OSG if we are required by the honorable senators.
Please do so.
Thank you so much, Madam
ASG
Chair.
Kundangan.
Yes.
All of these things that came out, itong mga the fingerprints, the lack of supporting documents in the I think during the first or the second hearing, those were disclosed also during
Yes.
the hearing. Are those going to be relevant in the case?
With respect to the fingerprint, Honorable Senator, it will not be used in the certificate of live birth because we are just questioning the fictitious entries in the certificate of live birth. However, with respect to the other evidences, because the OSG is still drafting the petition for a quo warranto as confirmed by the Honorable Solicitor General, we will be filing the same, and the OSG is deliberating on documents coming from different government agency, and we will file the quo warranto in due time, Honorable Senator.
Two cases. First is the petition to revoke the
Certificate of live birth.
certificate
Yes.
of live birth, and then the quo warranto case.
Yes.
And what's the objective of the quo warranto?
The quo warranto is to determine the eligibility of Mayor Guo to continue to possess the office of the mayor of Banban. However, in the certificate of live birth, the issue there is the propriety of the issuance, inasmuch as the affidavit of delayed registration is questionable.
So will it be a
Parallel.
parallel, or we have to wait for the cancellation first before the quo warranto?
No, it can independently run, Honorable Senator. It is parallel because the issue in the certificate of live birth is the compliance with the civil registration system or the law. And basically, there are entries there which are fictitious and questionable. However, in the quo warranto, it will be more on the eligibility side of Mayor Guo.
But I would assume that the eligibility in question will be the nationality,
Yes.
of
Yes.
which it's
But as of now, I cannot divulge any
okay.
with utmost humility and all with all due respect,
Yeah,
Honorable
yeah, I
Senator.
understand. I understand.
Thank you so much for the
I
understanding.
understand. I just want to be educated on the process because as we go along, kami ni Senator Risa, we get a lot of tips and information, no? Especially when the real identity of Alice Go came out, no? Si Go Huaping. Kaya merong mga tips na lumabas sa amin at papakita ko ito para tulong rin sa inyo. Apparently, si Go Huaping or si Alice Go hindi lumaki sa farm. Hindi rin siya homeschooled. Nag-aral ho siya. And I'll show you the proof. No, dahil nga lumabas sa hearing yung totoong pangalan niya, nag-aral siya sa parehas kong school, sa Grace Christian High School, for grades 1, 2, and 3. Year 2000 to 2003. No? So, hindi siya homeschool ni Rubilin. Nag-aral ho talaga ho siya. No? And nung natatandaan ko, sa school ho namin walang farm ho doon. Puro building ho. No? And ito yung kanyang school records. Next will be the in-attach ho kasi pag nag-enroll ka, meron kang mga i-attach mo yung alien certificate of registration mo at lumalabas yung alien certificate of registration niya match doon sa alien certificate of registration na hawak ng Bureau of Immigration. And in that enrollment document, interestingly, meron ding birth certificate galing sa China, no, in Chinese. At tinranslate and tinranslate siya sa English. So nakasulat dito na father niya si Guo Jiang, alam na ho natin, at ang mother niya ay si Wen Yilin. No? So I just want to put this on record and show to the committee because as we go along, ang dami hong nagpo-provide ng information eh. Kasi nga lumalabas yung totoong identification at gusto ho namin din magamit. Sayang naman itong mga pieces of evidence, gusto ho namin magamit para lalong tumibay yung kaso na ifina-file po ng ating Solicitor General. Any comment to that?
We will be happy to receive these documents, Honorable Senator, and we will consider the same together with the team, together with the Honorable Solicitor General on the deliberation on the filing of a co-warrant. We submit, Honorable Senator.
Thank you, ASEC Kondangan. I'll just jump to another